Hello guys, I'm Gaurav from the IT Academy. I'm a technocrat with interest with Salesforce CRM tool. This is the first tutorial for DEP 401 certification. So today I'm going to share with you the basic about Salesforce CRM, what Salesforce CRM is capable of, why it is important, how it is used, a basic outline about Salesforce so you can understand that Salesforce is meant for what purpose, and I'll also share with you guys the outline of the course which I am going to discuss with you in upcoming tutorials. Salesforce guys is a CRM tool. CRM, as you must be aware, is a customer relationship management tool. Salesforce is headquartered in San Francisco as a company, California. Company was founded in 1999 by former Oracle guy called Mark Benioff. Its revenues comes from selling licenses for Salesforce CRM. Customer relationship management. What is this? CRM is the software that allows companies to track every interactions with their current or future clients. If I talk about CRM, it has primarily four departments: marketing, sales, orders, support. Marketing department run campaign, generate leads, record follow-up. Sales department is creating sales lead into orders or managing the funnel, converting the leads. Order department is nothing but order processing. Like we go to Amazon, you place an order for any product, it goes to directly to the order department. Now it's responsibility of the order department to process it out. They will check the payment status, whether it is prepaid or whether it is otherwise. Then they will initiate the delivery alert, and that's how the order is delivered to you. Then there is a support department which is responsible for after sales service. A common example if I would like to share with you is, you must have gone to any service center for your phone. So let's say you go to iPhone Apple service center and you give your phone to repair. Now what the engineer would do, what the person would do over there, so they will give you acknowledgement, and that would have a reference number, and you will be notified when your product is ready. And that is how the complete CRM works: marketing, sales, order, support. Now you must be wondering that why Salesforce is so popular. So let me share with you some basic points about that. Now, although the list is very long, but I would like to share with you the outline so that it would be easy for you to understand. Now, if you go on Google, you can see that there are many companies like Dynamics, Sibyl, PeopleSoft. These are all CRM companies, and Salesforce is also CRM company. But still, Salesforce is able to maintain the, I would say, maximum market share. The market share of the company is maximum. Why? Because of following points. Now the Salesforce, the first and foremost is it's totally cloud based. There is no hardware requirement. So the common example of that is, if you use your Google account, you do not need any hardware for that, any specific hardware requirement to store your email, to check it out, or you don't need to store it locally on your computer to check your email. You just need login ID and password, and you can use any computer to check it out. You don't need to maintain any data center. It's all there in the cloud. Same is the question with the Salesforce. Same is the situation with Salesforce. and it's very low cost. It runs on very unique pay and pay model, which is pay as you go model. It caters need of practically every organization, be it a organization which is just a startup, 2 or 3 people, or maybe a Fortune 500 company. So these are few major points which is according to me is responsible for Salesforce popularity. I mean, that is why this company, which is not very old, it's having the highest market shares today. Salesforce pay-as-you-go model. Let us see a brief about that. It has a different pricing option. Start from minimum $5 per user per month, and it goes as high as $250 per user per month. If, for example, if you are using if you have a company, let's say you have a startup and you have one person looking after sales, one person is looking after marketing, one is order, one is looking after the after sales service, so you can easily have 4 licenses. There is no long-term commitment required, just need 4 licenses. Start with that, and then as your company grows, you can expand to maybe 50, 100 licenses. So you can imagine, I mean, it can cater need of a very small company to a large company as well. So that is very unique Salesforce pay-as-you-go model. Let us see how CRM works in the cloud. CRM in the cloud is very flexible, reliable, and efficient, and primarily there are 3 clouds in Salesforce. One is Service Cloud, second is Sales, and third is Marketing. Now, if I talk about the advantage in CRM in the cloud, the main advantage is that there is no maintenance required from your end. You just need to work on it, that's all. Now, just imagine, you guys must be from some IT background, then you know that if we have to maintain a data center, how much cost is required. So you need engineer, you need hardware, you need monitoring. So in case of Salesforce, you do not need to do any of these steps. No long-term commitment. You don't want to use it tomorrow, you can end the subscription, that's all. Low upfront cost, as I've told you in the previous slides as well, that you can start with, as you know, for 2 or 3 licenses, and that's all. So these are the some important tips about some important points about CRM in the cloud, and you will understand it more when we go ahead in the tutorials in the upcoming videos, and you will understand this point more in detail as well. Let me share with you guys some outline about the course, what we are going to discuss in upcoming tutorials for this Dev 401, which is called Salesforce Admin, and what are the things I'm going to cover in upcoming tutorials for you guys, and these are the some points. So I'll be helping you guys to build your own custom app using Salesforce. So we will be working on a live project on Salesforce, and I'll help you step by step. We'll go ahead, and I'll be sharing with you notes for each section. Assignments would be shared after every module. It would be very hands-on experience for you guys, because you can learn and use it as well. So it will not be all theoretical, I would say. It will be practical, as well as the explanation from my end, and you will get question and answer for Dev 401 certification exam. I'll be updating course content regularly, because there are updates which come every year from Salesforce organizations. And most important, to learn Salesforce admin, you do not need any prior programming experience. So that's the very good thing about it. It's all point and click. Thank you guys. So this is it for the first session. I'll be posting the new tutorial soon. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.